So today on Cooking on the Fly, I'm just going to make some simple turkey wraps. Sorry about the swim hair, I literally just got out of the pool. You can see my video on Short Circuit Splash for more details about that, but right now let's get to it. So as you can see, I already have this started. I'm using oven roasted turkey breast. And I have my piece of turkey here. Now I have a container where I keep leftover vegetables that I've been using. I chop these up. I use them for salads, stir fry, side dishes, different things. So this is what I have in there. You can see there's some bell pepper, sweet red onion, tomato, cucumber. So that's what I have today. I also have some uncured turkey pepperoni and a couple different kinds of cheese. And all I did was chop up some of these vegetables. You can use whatever you like here. Got some pepperoni I'm going to add. And a little bit of cheese. Now I'm just going to roll this up here. And put it on my plate. Try a little bit of goat cheese on this one. Now if you want, you can put a little bit of, this is honey mustard dressing here. I also have lemon avocado oil vinaigrette, or you can even use French onion dip or ranch. Whatever you have, make it a little more zesty. Making one more here. Now here we have it. Now you might want to dress it up a little bit, especially if you're serving this to other people. It looks really bland, but I assure you it tastes really good. Now you can also do this with turkey or ham or roast beef. You can even dress it up with some hot sauce if you like it that way. So many possibilities with this meal. You could make this every day and make it completely different just by switching out the vegetables or the sauce or the cheese. This is also a great meal to pack in your lunchbox. Today I'll be serving it with a soup, but this is a really easy meal. And you can use up all your leftovers. So here you have it, turkey rolls.